Hey guys, it's Scott, and we're going to show you how to use Zapier to automatically create folder structure with subfolders for Dropbox within Zapier. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at the file structure that we're going to want to create in Dropbox. So we've got our content folder with our content folders here. We've got some of these folders have subfolders for like old versions, and we want to create this file structure in a client folder automatically. So here's how we're doing this. I'm going to show you two actions within Zapier. The first is to create the folder. And so what this looks like is we're going to use the action event create folder, which is a built-in step. We'll go to configure, and we're going to name the folder the client's account name dash the job number. And when we test that, it will produce that folder within our client Dropbox. So that's going to be step one. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a feature in the Dropbox integration to create custom steps. And this is what this looks like. We're going to go to the action event, and instead of a standard action, we're going to select a custom action, and it's going to be creating these subfolders. And here's what this looks like. When we go to configure, we're going to edit this custom action. And this is the box for the custom actions. So what we do is we begin by creating our request. What do we want this step to do? So we say we want to create subfolders for the folder created in the previous step. It asks us a few questions, and we answer these. We need to dynamically reference them. We have two subfolders. The first folder is called content, with the four subfolders called content. Like, these are the names of the subfolders. Then the second subfolder titled design, and it would have these 5 subfolders. And we name those folders. It says great. It's going to dynamically reference the folder created in the previous step, and it's going to create this file structure. We try it out. Great. It works. We're using it, and we realize we need to add a few more folders. So we ask politely, can we add a few more folders? And of course it can. So we ask to add the subfolder called old within the following folders, and we list the folders in that previous structure that we want to have this old folder in, and it modifies the action, and it's done, and it's great, and that's it. So then we come back to our Zap. So the entire configuration is this step right here, and so we identify the path, which came from the name of the parent folder beforehand. So we'll be able to control what this, if this step ever changes in the future, we'll be able to still control where this file path is leading to. And that is it. We run the steps, and it'll automatically create a client folder with a name and a job number, and then it'll populate in just these 2 steps all of the folders and subfolders within that client folder. And that's it. It's pretty cool. Hope it helped. Thanks.